Knowledge, wisdom, experiences, sharing is good life. Welcome to our channel Hamara Good Life. Subscribe now for more knowledge and informative videos.
Hi, Namaste. Welcome to our channel Hamara Good Life. Today we are going to learn about the classifications of the insurance. In our earlier videos we have seen what is insurance, how insurance companies operate, what people think on insurance and many other things. Today we are going to see about the classification of the insurance. If anyone have missed our old video and earlier videos, kindly watch the link cards and below link in the description so that you will get the continuation of the series and continuation of the insurance. When coming to the today's concept, as many of you know, my name is Anand, and when coming to our today's video, insurance is mainly classified under two parameters. One is life insurance, another is general insurance. Any product which is covering the life of a insured, life of a person is called as a life insurance. Any other life of a cattle, buffaloes, poultry, anything will be covered under the general insurance. You have got a doubt, buffaloes can also be insured. Yes. Everything which can be measured in terms of money can be insured. Anything which can be measured in terms of money can be insured, it will be insured. But which is related to the life is being insured by a life insurance companies. There are many companies I will display here. I don't want to list out the name of the companies because presently there were lots of mergings going on. So it would not be correct to tell all the companies which are available, which are insuring the life. Similarly, general insurance companies also. General insurance companies means any other products which are other than life is called as a non-life insurance. We are daily familiar of the general insurance products like our bikes. Bikes and cars are mandatory from the government rule. So every bike or car or any motor car flying on the road should be insured mandatorily. Similarly, we would have come across health insurance, home insurance, marine insurance, everything comes under the general insurance companies. But the main classifications are marine insurance, fire insurance, motor insurance, miscellaneous insurance. Similarly, there are many other miscellaneous insurance. There are separate concepts like aeroplane insurance, liability insurance, fidelity insurance, and many other insurance companies are trying to bring new risks, new coverages like electronic insurance, which are covers for the TV, mobile insurance, which covers the mobiles. Like in life insurance, all insurance companies are putting lot of hard work to bring new products. But all products which any insurance companies brings will not be approved, will not be given for sale, will not be available for the public. Only the insurance company. When an insurance company decides they can provide insurance like this, they should file to the IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, as we have discussed in the old videos. They should file to the IRDA. IRDA will calculate the risk which is being accumulated in this, whether that risk is appropriate as per the principles. We will let you know what are the principles in our next video. Like that, they will calculate all the do's and do nots, first and nots, and they will decide whether this product is feasible or not. IRDA will never accept when it is will not giving proper coverages to the ourselves like public. So all insurance products which are available for sale or for public usage are being accepted and agreed by the IRDA, then only it will be released. So IRDA has lot of powers, lot of controlling on the insurance sector. So I will let you know in another video what is the history of IRDA, when it is formed, what is its roles and responsibilities. We will let you know in another videos about IRDA. And if you like the video, kindly like, subscribe and share to the each and every one of you in all the public and social media, so that everyone will discuss on insurance. They will try to insure themselves. They will be safe and their families will be happy. In coming videos, we will let you know a lot of products related queries and all everything. But our next video, which is very important, is it really necessary to take the insurance? Why is it necessary to take the insurance? With practical and clear examples, which will definitely relate to you. So subscribe now immediately so that our video will come as a notification to you, and you can watch that video and you can decide whether insurance is important or not. Never forget to press the bell icon. If you don't press the bell icon, you will not get any notifications. Thank you all for your time and support. Hope you will get desired knowledge on the insurance. Any query related to the insurance, you can write to our mail ID hamaragoodlife@gmail.com. We will reply you at the earliest. Any queries, if anyone want to share your experiences, you can write to us. We will definitely share to all the things. No seat belt, no outing. No helmet, no drive. Avoid alcohol. If you take alcohol, enjoy the drink, have a good sleep, but no driving. Thank you.